Meaning of foam.
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 Foam. Foam refers to a substance that is formed by trapping gas bubbles within a liquid or solid material. The result is a lightweight and porous material with a spongy texture. Foam can be made from a variety of materials including polystyrene, polyurethane, and latex. It is commonly used as insulation, cushioning material, and in packaging. Foam can also be found in products such as mattresses, pillows, and seat cushions. Overall, foam is a versatile material that provides excellent cushioning and insulation properties.